Hans Laser Mobile Phone Structural Component Welding Workstation. This equipment independently selects the appropriate feeding method based on product characteristics, utilizing various information interaction methods such as QR codes and RFID to ensure product identification, positioning, and real-time traceability during the welding process. With the interface for AGV robots, it enables automatic loading and unloading. The workstation features an efficient and stable conveyor line and a high-precision positioning structure. By combining linear guides with synchronous belt conveyors, rapid fixture circulation and precise positioning are achieved. Equipped with a self-developed laser welding system, integrated visual positioning, and laser height measurement, as well as customized special fixtures, it fully guarantees welding consistency and comprehensively meets the processing requirements of automated production lines for fine structural components of mobile phones.